Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to power off iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to turn off your iPhone, you have two main options. The first one is by going to the control center, and then in the top right corner you will find the power button. You can press and hold your finger on the power button and then release it after a second or two in order to find the slider to turn off your iPhone. You need to slide the power button like so in order to turn it off. Another way to turn off your iPhone is by pressing and holding the volume down and side button at the same time. So if you press and hold the volume down and power button, then after a second or two you should be able to once again see the power slider. And in addition to that, using volume up and the side button also works, so you can press both of these buttons and hold them for pretty much the same amount of time in order to also find the power off slider over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!